All right, so today we're diving into something pretty cool, I think.
Yeah.
It's called Circle to Search, and it's got a lot of people in the tech world, excited.
It's a big deal, yeah.
And I think once we explain what it is, our listeners are going to be excited too.
For sure.
Because it's not just, like a small improvement to search.
Right.
It could actually, change how we use visual information online.
Definitely could.
Yeah, so...
It's big.
So why don't you give us the rundown? What is Circle to Search? What does it actually do?
Okay, so imagine
Yeah.
you're watching a video,
Okay.
right? And you see something, let's say a really interesting building or a cool product, anything, and you want to know more about it.
Mm-hmm.
Now, normally you'd have to try to describe it with words in a search bar, right?
Yeah, I hate doing that.
It's a pain, right?
Yeah.
So with Circle to Search, you just circle the object on your screen
Oh, wow.
with your finger or your mouse, and bam, that becomes your search.
So the image itself
The image itself.
is the search.
Exactly.
So intuitive.
Right.
Yeah.
It just makes sense.
Okay, but how does it actually, how does it work though? Is it like AI or something?
Yeah, it's definitely AI.
Okay.
It's using a type of AI called object detection.
Okay.
And basically these systems, they've been trained on huge, massive amounts of images.
Wow.
So they can recognize a huge variety of objects.
So when you circle something,
Yep.
it's like the AI is matching what you
Circled with its database.
with its
And
database.
to find info.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
Okay, so we know what it is. We know how it works.
Mm-hmm.
Where is this going to be really useful? What are the applications?
Oh man, there are so many.
Yeah.
Think about online shopping. So
Yeah.
you're watching a video, let's say, and you see, I don't know, a lamp in the background that you just love.
Love that.
You circle it, and boom, you get shopping results for that exact lamp or similar ones.
So you don't have to?
No more keyword struggles.
Yeah. It's just see it, want it, find it.
I love that.
Right.
Okay, so shopping, that makes total sense.
Mm-hmm.
What else? Where else could this be big?
Education.
Okay.
Imagine a student watching a nature documentary.
Yeah.
They see some crazy animal they've never seen before.
Yeah.
They circle it, and instantly they get information about that animal, what species it is, where it lives, all that
So wait, it's not just about products, it's about
information in general.
any kind of information.
Yeah, anything visual.
That's really cool.
Just a game changer.
You said game changer before, and I really want to dig into that.
Swear.
Who could this really impact, different user groups and stuff?
Well, for a lot of people, it's just going to make searching easier and more fun.
Yeah, definitely.
But for some people, it could be truly life-changing.
In what way?
Think about people who are visually impaired.
Okay.
They rely on screen readers.
Oh, to understand what's happening visually.
Mm-hmm.
This could be huge for them.
Yeah.
They could circle a picture and then boom, they hear a description of what's in it.
So they're not limited to just the text on the page.
Exactly.
They can actually access the visual information too.
It opens up a whole new world.
Yeah, that's really powerful.
It is.
It's it's we're moving away from just typing in words.
Right.
And we're using our natural visual sense.
We're visual creatures.
Yeah.
It's how we understand the world.
So is this the beginning of a big change in how we search? Are we moving towards a more visual internet?
I think it's definitely a possibility.
Yeah.
Think about it. We process images so much faster than text.
That's true.
Our brains are wired for it.
Yeah.
And Circle to Search, it kind of taps into that,
It just makes sense.
It makes searching more intuitive.
Yeah.
And maybe even more effective.
Wow.
It's exciting.
That's really exciting stuff.
It is.
And we've only just scratched the surface here,
Yeah, for sure.
There's so many possibilities. And I think, for everyone listening,
Yeah.
think about how you would use this.
In your own life.
Yeah, in your work, in your hobbies.
Get creative.
Yeah, what could you do with this? Because it's pretty amazing.
It's going to be interesting to see where it goes. The future of search,
Thanks for taking this deep dive with me.
Of course. It's been fun.
Yeah. And to all our listeners, thanks for joining us, and keep on circling.
Happy searching.